Visible above the green hills of County Tipperary, the Rock of Cashel stands at the heart of Ireland's ancient East. In this video, we explore its story, and that of the nearby Hore Abbey, uncovering how these ruins shaped Ireland's past. Driving through the town of Cahsel, we see the rock above the rooftops in the distance. The Rock of Cashel sits 60 meters over the town of Cahsel. This limestone outcrop served as the royal seat of the Kingdom of Munster for several centuries. In 1101, the rock was gifted to the church, which built Cormac's chapel, the Cathedral, and other structures that sit atop the summit today. One of the first things we see after entering the grounds is a replica of St. Patrick's Cross, just outside the cathedral entrance. The original 12th century high cross is protected inside the hall of the Vicars' Choral. Stepping inside the cathedral, we were in awe. This massive Gothic cathedral is laid out in the shape of a cross.
Many Gothic-style cathedrals or churches or monastic buildings.
Empty wall tombs and gravestone markers beneath our feet hint at centuries of worship here. Standing 28 meters high, the Round Tower is the oldest surviving building on the rock. It was completed around 1101 as the fortress became a center of Christian worship. Exiting the cathedral, we walk through the walled graveyard that surrounds the building complex, a quiet place overlooking the town of Cahsel. Many of the headstones here date back to the 1700s. We arrived too late to get tickets for the guided tour of Cormac's chapel, but it's well worth the additional time. Inside, you can see some of Ireland's oldest surviving frescoes. The 15th century Hall of the Vicars' Choral housed the men who sang at the cathedral services. Inside are restored rooms including a kitchen and a dining hall. While our visit to the rock ends here, just across the fields lies something special. A short walk through a farmer's pasture leads us to our next stop, the ruins of Hore Abbey. Hore Abbey is Ireland's last Cistercian monastery, founded around 1270. The ruins are open to wander freely, explore the cloister, church, chapter house, and remnants of the monks' living quarters. This peaceful location also offers some of the best views of the Rock of Cashel. To see our next stop in Ireland, check out this video. And please subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.